What's up, everybody? My name is Kesey Sistrunk Lewis, and for those who don't know me, I'm the owner of Keep It Moving Services. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 6 moving mistakes you must avoid. Moving can be stressful, but don't let these common mistakes make moving be harder than it needs to be. So the first mistake to try to avoid is poor packing. This is very, very important because poor packing leads to broken items. Poor packing leads to not knowing where to find your belongings, and poor packing could even mean to boxes breaking, harder to move your item from one location to the next. It can lead to multiple different issues, and if you handle the packing, which is the first phase in moving, then everything else is gonna fall in place. So, number one, poor packing. Avoid that mistake because that's the foundation in making your move smooth. Mistake number 2, waiting last minute to do everything you're supposed to be doing. So I can go on for a long time on mistake number 2, but I really just want to emphasize, just start with one thing. Just start with moving 1 and then 2 and then 3 things, and not waiting last minute to move or do what you're supposed to do, because that's going to put a lot more stress on you. And if you decide to hire a mover like ourselves to help you out, waiting 2-3 days before the move, it's not suggested. So if you want us to help you organize things and help you on your move, feel free to fill out the form below. We even have a guide that helps you learn more tips on making your move a lot easier, and even how to save money. So if you want to learn more about that, click the link below. Now, a little bit more on number 2. Now, waiting last minute could even cause things getting broken, things getting lost, not being ready to move, cost you a lot more money. So even if you're not sure, at least have some movers come and check out and get you a quote just in case. Schedule a booking so that way you can move forward from there. Don't wait last minute. Mistake number 3, holding on to things you don't need. What this means is you're holding on to things you would never use again. Like, you may have game boards or dressers for whatever reason that you'll never use again. Just go ahead and get rid of it. Removing things that you'll never use again makes the move way smoother. It helps you get rid of the extra footwork that needs to be done to bring your item from one location to the next. And it really even helps packing. Like, you're not doing extra packing. You're not spending extra money on having those items that you would never use again, move to the next location, and just do yourself a favor and remove the things you don't need. And some ways to help you get rid of the things you don't need is to, 1, donating. We could also help you with that. Anything that you don't think you'll use that much, or could benefit someone else more, go ahead and get a box separate, put that to the side, donate it. And now everything doesn't have to be done in one day. So take your time, give yourself time, and work on it bit by bit. Make a second pile for items you want to sell. At least get some money back so that way you can put it towards the move. So get you another box, put that to the side, and put anything that may have some value to it that you could sell. And number 3, junk. Now, just anything you're not going to use, throw it out, please. And when you give yourself time to really look through these things, you'll be surprised on how many things you don't need. There's another video that I have made explaining a little bit more on decluttering, so check out the link below to find that. Mistake number 4, forgetting to pack essentials. Now, packing essentials can be very important for convenience for you. So when you move into your next location, you have a bag that you can go to with your essentials, your toothpaste, your toothbrush, your clothes, anything that you use on a daily basis, make sure you go ahead and pack that in a duffel bag, or just pack it somewhere that you can go and go to it later once you've all moved into your new location and you're settling in, and you want to have that bag of essentials. Very important. Mistake number 5, not hiring professionals. Now, to hire some professionals, things you should be looking into is the reviews. Make sure they're leaving reviews. Make sure their rates, their prices make sense, because if it's too low and it sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Another way to avoid this mistake is if they're asking you the right questions. Another way to avoid hiring bad movers, you can ask a friend. You can look at, you can get referrals. Those are some ways to find a good mover. Mistake number 6, ignoring moving cost. Underestimating your moving cost, facing hidden fees is never fun. So here at Keep It Moving Services, we offer hourly rates and we offer flat rates. Now the flat rates is going to bundle everything up into one cost, so that way once you get that estimate, it shouldn't be changing too much from there unless you're adding things on. And then hourly, more so for local short distance move, and you may want to go with that if you don't have a big move. If you're not sure which one it is or which one you want to go with, I have another video linked in the description below teaching you what you need for your move, whether that's hourly or flat rate. Very important to know the difference because it can save you a lot of money. Now, if money isn't a factor, go with the flat rate. It keeps things simple. You only get one price. And yeah, that's it for the top 6 moving mistakes you want to avoid. If you want to get into more details, I have a video for each one of these topics linked in the description below. If you want to avoid these mistakes, hire Keep It Moving Services to handle your move for you, eliminate the stress, eliminate the headaches. My name is Kesey Sistrunk Lewis. Thanks for watching again. Hit that like and follow button and share with a friend for more tips. Peace.